Alright, so today's video is going to be about how to set up, and I guess a good way to use a Voicemeeter, and because Voicemeeter has very many different ways you can use it and what purposes it serves and stuff like that. But what I'm showing you is Voicemeeter Potato and how you should set it up. So, first things first, you want to select your microphone. So you just click up here, click this, or click there, and then there should be a drop down menu, and then you select your microphone. Simple as that. And it's the same thing over here, the A1. This is your headphones. You select where your audio wants to come out of. So if you want to either have speakers or something that come out or something, then you select that. Depending on which A1 through A5, depends on where it's going to come out of. And when I mean A1 and A through A5, I mean these down here. They will it will come out of the A through 5, and you select them through here. So Voicemeeter VAIO is one of the audio channels that you can use, along with Voicemeeter aux and VAIO3. I have this one as my main audio, so like for example games, YouTube videos, and it's just pretty much most of my stuff. Here I have VoIP, which is like Discord or Skype or whatnot, and then this is usually I keep for music. So like if I'm recording something and I don't want my music to be picked up, that's that. Or if I want my music to be played out of certain audio channels like A3, 4, and 5, and I select those. And then for my A2, A3, and A4, I have my speakers. So I have a surround sound in my office area that I have hooked up to these certain channels. That's why I have them muted, so they don't just randomly play, and it's just through my headphones. And then another thing that I like to do is, and then I have my voice changer on this channel, which is another one from the microphone. And your audio usually comes out of B1, B2, or B3, depending on which audio setting you choose in your computer setting. So like when you go over here to open sound setting, when you do output, if you do output VAIO, oh sorry, I take that back. If you do output VIO here, then it will be B1 you want to select. If you select aux, then you want to do B2, and if you do VAIO3, you want to be B2 over here. That's how you know which one you want to select. But me personally, I do it this way, where aux is the one I choose, so it's going to be B2, and I use VAIO obviously as my main one, which is what I was talking about earlier about this. Solo makes it so that this audio will go through it, so like if you only want a certain channel to be heard, you select that or deselect it. So if you select it, you couldn't hear me. That is pretty much the gist of this video for the basic stuff. There's more in-depth stuff like changing your audio and your voice quality, and you can also do record audio like clips with this. Like you just click record, it will start recording. Right now I have it recording my game, but if I wanted to record my voice, now it's recording my voice, as you can see. Yes. For the most part, that's the basic setup of how Voicemeeter kind of works and how you get it to work properly. And the whole point of it, because like the point of it is I have multiple audio outputs. I have my headphones, stereo system, monitor, and then I have a TV. So these are that's those three, and then obviously my headphones. So obviously I don't want them to all. But if I want to play audio out of all of them, then I can select it how I want it, depending on which one of these buttons I select, and if they're unmuted. It's a good idea to use Voicemeeter if you do recording. Because recording is really good because you can have multiple audio channels. So through OBS, you could literally just use Voicemeeter's different audio channels as different tracks, so you could have multiple audio sources and stuff like that. Separate your game or desktop audio from your voice and Discord's voice. Also, as a side note, to make it so that the audio comes out of these specific audio channels, depending on what you want to do. So like for example, if you have the Spotify app, you want the audio to come out of this one, then I'm also going to show you how to do that and on Windows. And or for example, if you want any form of app, so certain games or certain, you know, software to come out of here or here or here, this is how you do it. So you go to audio, open sound settings, and then you go to app volume and device preferences, and then here you select what audio you want to come out of where. So like if I want OBS audio to come out of VAIO, you select that. Or if you want it to come out of VAIO3, you click that. Or if I want Firefox over here, like I have it already, to come out of VAIO, I have that selected. But then I want the audio mic or the input to be coming from aux, which is B2. So that's how it works. Yes, that is the way you can set it up so that these certain apps will go to these certain audio channels. So yes, that is pretty much the gist of the point and the way to set up Voicemeeter to work the best. In my opinion, this is how I have it set up and what I use it for. So I hope this helped. And yeah, talk to you guys later. Bye guys.